In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a payment receipt from the Monzo app. Best method. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main feed where you see your recent activity. If you have multiple Monzo accounts or cards, confirm you're on the right one before you continue, so you're looking at the correct set of transactions. Next, find the payment you need a receipt for. Scroll through your feed or use the search bar to quickly narrow things down by merchant name, amount, or a keyword from the payment reference. If you know roughly when it happened, filter by date to speed this up. When you see the transaction, tap it to open the detailed view. On the transaction screen, check for a receipt image. This could be a digital receipt provided by the merchant or an image you previously attached. Look for a thumbnail or an attachment section on the transaction details. If you see a receipt, tap to open it, then use your phone's share or download options to save it. If there's no receipt image available for that payment, don't worry. There are other reliable ways to document it. If you need a formal record, download a statement, go back to your account view, and open the section for statements and documents. Choose the relevant account, set a date range that covers the payment, and export a PDF statement. A PDF looks professional and is widely accepted. Before sharing, double check that the statement includes the transaction line with the correct date, amount, and recipient, and consider redacting unrelated information if you're sending it externally. If what you actually need is proof of payment, many organizations accept either the PDF statement covering that date or a clear screenshot from the transaction details. Always confirm what format they prefer to avoid back and forth. Finally, take a screenshot of the transaction with the date, amount, and recipient visible. On the transaction screen, ensure the essential details are clearly shown: date and time, payment status, merchant or recipient name, amount, and any reference. Then capture the screenshot using your device's standard method. For privacy, crop out any sensitive information like your balance or other transactions before you send it. Save the image with a clear file name and, if needed, convert it to PDF using your phone's share or print options for a cleaner submission. That's all you need to reliably get a payment receipt or proof of payment from the Monzo app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your documentation sorted quickly and confidently.